Hi, I'm Brainy. Let me show you how to create immersive learning, training, and performing in minutes. Start with one sentence.
I want to train operators on wellhead procedures at a gas processing facility.
First, I generate your environment. Photorealistic, ready in minutes. Now your equipment. A Christmas tree, your wellhead control system, and a pressure gauge for monitoring. Each component identified and ready for interaction. Now I compose the scene. Objects placed, labels added automatically. Your training world is ready. Bring in your knowledge. I extract procedures and link them to your equipment. Choose a recipe, your training structure. Then select your missions, the learning activities inside. Recipe set, missions ready. Let's see it in action. Welcome to your training. Let's begin wellhead operations.
Step 1. Confirm the accumulator connection is secure and system pressure is sufficient. Step 2. Inspect the body for cracks or damage. Check hydraulic actuators for leaks. Confirm no fluid leakage. Step 5. Close the upper pipe ram using the hydraulic actuator. Verify pressure holding, then open fully.
Excellent. Wellhead is operational. Procedure complete. Now prove what you know. Do, say, show. Your radiograph reveals your mastery. Every interaction feeds the data flywheel. Simulated sensors respond in real time. Now take it to the real world. With Digital Twin IQ, your training goes beyond the screen. See your procedures in augmented reality, right where the work happens. EON Genesis 2.0. Learn, train, perform.